Today I show you how to find and replace text on your iPhone in the Notes app. I'll show you right now. Here I have text that I want to change, and I can copy this text, the whole text. I can do a select all and copy. Select all and paste here. The thing I want to find replace here is this domain, rex.red. We moved to another domain, to a new domain, and I want to change this. This eventually will be not available anymore. So I want to change the domain from the old domain here to the new domain, from rex.red to eonmade.com. That's the old domain, and we will move to the new domain like this. This is a website address. To find and replace text, first you need to find the text, and you need to know what you're looking for and what to replace it with. So here I want to show you this three-dot menu. Tap on the three-dot menu, then find in Note, and you can search for the thing you want to replace. This is the old domain here, and this will be replaced with the new one, but you don't have the option here. But if you actually look carefully, there is some kind of an arrow there, so tap on this option there, then you see find replace. And now in the Notes app I have the find and replace. If I don't want to do find replace, I can go back to simply find, and I can even search. I can see highlighted all the instances of this and how many times it found it, and I can move back and forth between each instance of this text that it found it. So I go back to find replace, and I can replace this with the new domain. So this is the new domain. That's the new website. That's the old one there, and I can do a replace one by one. And you see one was replaced, but you can also do a long press on replace, and it shows you replace all. And when you replace all, you see that they are all replaced here, and that's how you do it. It's pretty simple. You can always undo the changes if you want to, and I did it in 2 steps there, and it might replace not from the beginning, but you can always go back and replace all of them, all the instances. I'll redo the changes now. I'll use a 3-finger swipe to the right to redo the changes. So the changes are there. That's the new domain, the new website, and that's how you do a find replace, even a replace all in the Notes app. When you're searching, you can do find replace, find in Note, and then you have the options here. You can even change to match case and whole words if you wanted to. Thanks for watching.